In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Google account password if you've forgotten. Don't worry, this process is simple and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google sign-in page. You can do this on any device, on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Now go to a Google sign-in page. Here, what you need to do is click on Forgot Password. After you've entered your email, click on Done, click on Next. Now what you need to do is click on Forgot Password. Now you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you might receive a verification code via SMS, email, or through the Google Authenticator app. Choose your method and follow the prompts. Once you've received the code, enter it in the designated field and click on Next. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password, one that's at least 8 characters long with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Type your new password again to confirm it and then click on Next. Now your password will be updated and you can go back to the Google sign-in page and enter your email along with your new password. And that's how you find or reset your Google account password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.